Well, welcome back to Base Camp, WNC. It's Wednesday just after lunchtime. The first band of the storm waves from Hurricane Michael has come in. We've gotten about 1.5 inches of rain already, and the storm hasn't even hit Florida. Last time you saw this, it was full of all kind of squash and cucumbers, and I had a real feeling that Walter wasn't too happy with the way it looked after the hurricane. And while I was up the mountains working, when I come back, he done lifted the plastic, tore everything up, and disked it in. So it's either he didn't look the way he wanted, it wasn't growing the way he wanted, or he didn't want to mess with it. But I'm going to take you back around part of the fields and show you. I guess Friday strawberry plants will be in. We'll be planting about 40 acres of strawberries. So let's ride around back and see how much of it's ready to go. Well, here it is. Here's the front field. He's got that all done. You can see the overhead irrigation lines he's got out. They're all ready to go. You can see some water standing in the roads, and all hoses are laid out for overhead irrigation. He's got this whole field that he was starting on done, and we're all the way back in there where he had that stuff planted. We'll take you back there. We'll show you everything else ready to go. Well, he finished up planting all that stuff after the hurricane. Had enough moisture. This here is all the broccoli cauliflower plants that were up in the greenhouse, that were being protected in that greenhouse. They're all about 1 foot tall. This is all kind of broccoli, cauliflower, some cabbage. I think we snuck in a row of Brussels sprouts on him. Right out there. I mean, they're getting to be about 18 inches tall. Really good looking crop. All the way over. Then this field here out in front of the fertilizer tank. This right here is where it was all sunflowers. And then where the melons were and corn, he went ahead and planted Sudan grass in there. Get a little bit of green in that thing. He put some green fertilizer. That'll be all tomatoes and squash and whatnot next year, and be going on from there. Far end, he's got some plastic rows laid out, and then we'll take you over the other end of the field, and here I believe he's got that all laid out. Yeah, he's got the upper end right there that was all in broccoli and cauliflower done for strawberries this year. He's still got these greens down here. This is the first year that persimmons had persimmons on them. Been doing a fair amount with the persimmons. You can see the one tree there in the background. It's still got a bunch on it. There's like 3 different varieties. The blackberries are doing really good. And we're about ready, like I said, this Friday or Saturday, they're delivering all the strawberry plants. We're going to be planting strawberries, and when that's done, pretty much everything gets put to bed for the winter. Be taking care of some strawberries and whatnot once they go dormant. Once they go dormant, then we'll pretty much be done till springtime. But we're putting a couple buildings up, working on what's going to be the commercial kitchen, doing a couple things back here at the house. So we got plenty of work to do this winter around here and get ready for spring.
Well, when I got back, I was having a hard problem running Walter down and all, and couldn't find him here at the farm. And I'm going to show you this little bit of green that we have left on the farm for right now, and we're getting ready depending on what Hurricane Michael's going to do with how much rain we're supposed to get. Like I said, the rain in this picture here is a result of the first 1.5 inches we got, and it was just a little feeder band. We're supposed to get 3 to 5 inches of rain, so that might postpone some strawberry planting, trying to get in the field. But like I said, he destroyed the squash field, and then he dished the field to the left of this, and he dished the field in between the strawberries and the greens. And when I finally found him back at the house, I kind of found out why. He snuck off and bought another 53 horsepower Kubota tractor and went back there to film it with him, and it started pouring down rain. So we'll have that thing out playing with it, along with the big one and a whole bunch of the old ones when we're out there planting strawberries. But I said, there's the reason why I couldn't find him. He had to sneak up to Conway and buy that machine. And we're going to show you, we're going to put it in the shop. We're going to do some work for it and build some stuff for it. He's trying to change some things around with the boys. And he decided to buy that tractor instead of wasting money on another side-by-side. Spending $15,000, he said, on one of them, and the boys ran one into a tree and destroyed the whole front end on it, and it's two-wheel drive now. So, but we'll show that to you here. Depends on how much rain we get. We'll be planting strawberries. We'll have the new tractor out playing with it, getting it all muddy and dirty. So if you like it, subscribe, leave me some comments, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.